Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can configure the Spotlight search on your Mac operating system. So if you hit Command key and space bar together, then you'll find Spotlight search. And here if you type something like for example this thing, it will give you some option like this thing, list of the things. It will search from your Mac and web also, and it will give you the list of the thing. Now I'll show you how you can control this thing. So to control this thing, basically we just need to click this Apple menu from the top left or down, whatever you will find. You just need to click this Apple menu and then it will bring this type of menu. From here we have to choose system settings. Once we click system settings, then the system settings window will be appeared. From here we have many options are there on the left side. To configure the Spotlight search, we have to come this Spotlight search, and then here we will find the list of things where it will pull the search result. Okay, so basically you can enable or disable this thing. Basically, like for example, if you want to include documents to search in the Spotlight search, you just need to enable it. If you don't want to include it, you just need to uncheck. I just unchecked it because sometimes it pull data from there, that's why I unchecked it. And here there are other things also. You can uncheck whatever you need, or you can check mark it again later if you need that. So here like that I am also going to, I also like uncheck the website also, so that it will not bring any result from search. And there is another option, help Apple improve search. I'm going to disable it because I don't want to waste basically any data from my computer, and I don't want to share this result with Apple. That's why I'm going to disable this thing. And that's it. Once you did this thing, you can close this thing. Now you will see that search, Spotlight search has been configured properly, and it is pulling data from only the selected locations. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question related to Spotlight search, don't forget to mention it in the comment section.